Today is a monumental day, and that is precisely because of clever maneuvers taking place in the background. Shidoshi Kazama's latest revelation, the disappearance of hundreds of millions of dollars, and much, much more are all to come. However, what am I even discussing? Permit me to explain. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Today signified an occasion that innumerable crypto enthusiasts eagerly anticipated. However, the day progressed with disappointment rather than anticipation, as the cryptocurrency market made an unforeseen turn, resulting in a significant decline in prices. This abrupt collapse was not only a financial setback for many, but also an exasperating reminder of the inherent volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Yet, what transpired? A few weeks ago, the cryptocurrency community was abuzz with the news that Hong Kong had approved a Bitcoin ETF. It was a significant development, with many anticipating that it would infuse the market with new capital, similar to how the United States endorsed its own Bitcoin ETF. Individuals who typically adhered to conventional investment strategies perceived this as an opportunity to potentially amass substantial profits. As they observed Bitcoin's success, they began to ponder about alternative cryptocurrencies. They learned that they could be purchased on cryptocurrency exchanges. And in terms of selecting a cryptocurrency that novices can easily comprehend, Shiba Inu stood out. It was a natural choice, given its basic concept and endearing dog logo. Novices in the cryptocurrency industry prefer to avoid undertaking complex initiatives that are beyond their comprehension. In this regard, Shiba Inu excel. It is concise and devoid of complexity. In contrast to other cryptocurrencies that are loaded with technical jargon, Shiba Inu is an approachable choice for novices due to its straightforward nature. It is therefore unsurprising that the price of Shiba Inu exploded in March. In light of Hong Kong's recent approval of the Bitcoin ETF, the Shiba Inu community expects a comparable upsurge in attention. However, if the Hong Kong Bitcoin ETF was deemed valid a few weeks ago, what relevance does that have to the present day? The approval process for the Bitcoin ETF was initiated a few weeks ago. Presently, however, dealing commences today. In other words, approval of an ETF is analogous to receiving the green light to begin trading it on the stock exchange. Even though the ETF was previously approved, it is now possible for investors to commence purchasing and selling shares. The distinction lies in the manner in which a store goes from merely obtaining authorization to open its doors to consumers. Investing in the Bitcoin ETF becomes officially possible today when it opens its doors for trading. At this juncture, complications arose. It was anticipated that the Hong Kong ETF would generate a staggering $300 million in trading volume, but it managed a meager $11 million. Cryptocurrency users consider it to be among the most disastrous forecasts in history. As a consequence, market frustration erupted, leading to a precipitous decline in the value of Bitcoin. Furthermore, due to its hegemony over the entire cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin's decline frequently affects other cryptocurrencies, including Shiba Inu. Currently, Shiba Inu is trading in the negative as a result of the significant decline in the cryptocurrency market. Nevertheless, today is only the initial day. Thus, despite the failure of the prediction, the effect remains to be observed. However, one thing is certain: the cryptocurrency market will be quite volatile this week. Given these unanticipated turns, it is difficult to predict what will occur next. Despite this unpredictability in the cryptocurrency market as a whole, however, Shiba Inu developers continue to amaze us. In fact, it's beneficial when Shiba Inu developers continue to amaze us. This is significant because it demonstrates that the Shiba Inu team is actively engaged in enhancing the project and adjusting to developments in the cryptocurrency landscape. It demonstrates to investors and consumers that the project is adaptable and receptive to feedback, thereby fostering confidence. This may ultimately contribute to Shiba Inu's sustainability and long-term success as a cryptocurrency. However, what precisely just transpired? The Shiba Inu community is still ecstatic about yesterday's monumental announcement that ShibaSwap would be migrated to Shibarium. This is something that we've been anticipating for nearly a year. Furthermore, today, Satoshi Kusama provided additional announcements and crucial information that all of us should be aware of. People must pay close attention whenever the main developer of a cryptocurrency project, such as Shiba Inu, makes announcements or divulges vital information. Their discourse not only embodies the vision and trajectory of the undertaking, but also signifies advancement and expansion. Moreover, these declarations promote transparency and community participation while exerting an impact on market dynamics. The recently transitioned ShibaSwap decentralized exchange is a central center for innovators and Shibasins in the eyes of Satoshi Kusama. Lucy, the content marketer for Shiba Inu, brought attention to Kusama's response to the transition of the ShibaSwap platform to Shibarium in a recent X post. As was previously disclosed, ShibaSwap recently transitioned from operating exclusively on the Ethereum platform to utilizing Shibarium, the Layer 2 blockchain of the ecosystem. As a consequence of this progression, ShibaSwap has acquired multi-chain capabilities. The fact that ShibaSwap functions as a multi-chain platform is crucial and extremely useful for a variety of reasons. In general, however, the adoption of a multi-chain infrastructure establishes ShibaSwap as a decentralized exchange that is more adaptable and robust, enabling it to cater to the changing demands of its users and the wider cryptocurrency community. Kusama noted that since the transition to Shibarium, ShibaSwap has evolved into a central location for both creators and members of the Shiba Inu community due to the addition of numerous features. He characterized it as a gathering spot for individuals to exchange concepts and undertakings. Also, Kusama stated that ShibaSwap is an excellent environment for the development of new community tokens. According to him, it is comparable to a bustling marketplace where various Shiba Inu community initiatives and members can flourish. Such developments and revisions are increasingly convincing individuals to consider Shiba Inus as a long-term investment. Andrew Kang, co-founder of Mechanism Capital, for example, has hypothesized that the market capitalization of caricature coins such as Shiba Inu could increase by a factor of 100. This, he believes, is a possibility. Large investment firms, referred to as venture capitalists, VCs, are beginning to favor cryptocurrencies such as Shiba Inu. He stated this in a recent X post after discovering that some of these major VC firms hold cryptocurrency. According to data from Arkham, a market research firm, one of the largest venture capital firms, Paradigm, has more than $425 million in cryptocurrency, but no Shiba Inu. Nevertheless, Symbolic Capital Partners, an additional venture capital firm, possesses a substantial number of Shiba Inu. They possess approximately 65 billion Shiba Inu tokens valued at approximately $1.64 million. This represents a minute fraction of their overall cryptocurrency holdings, which exceed $80 million. A CP Ventures, an additional investment firm, possesses Shiba Inu tokens with a value of $1.6 million, approximately 2% of their overall cryptocurrency holdings. As Kang examined the data, he observed an intriguing observation. He observed that major investors are beginning to favor coins such as Shiba Inu. Kang believes that their interest could significantly propel the growth of meme coins, perhaps 10 to 100 times larger. He envisions this occurring gradually as major investors increase their capital in Shiba Inus at the moment. Currently valued at approximately $14 billion, Shiba Inu ranks 11th in terms of value among cryptocurrencies. However, were it to experience a tenfold increase in size, its worth would surpass $146 billion. Indeed, that is enormous. However, Kang's theory that it could develop 100 times in size would increase its value to an astounding $1.46 trillion, making it even more valuable than Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency at present. Given that a 100-fold increase would cause the market capitalization of Shiba Inu to exceed that of Bitcoin, this notion appears implausible. It is important to note, however, that some individuals hold the belief that while this is a remote possibility, it is possible that it could occur. This belief originates from the notion that as the adoption of cryptocurrencies becomes more pervasive, the conventional financial system will encounter obstacles including inflation and currency devaluation. Further elaboration on the value proposition of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, such as Shiba Inu, is possible. In the event that the dollar experiences depreciation as a result of inflation and other factors, individuals might progressively resort to alternative forms of value preservation, such as cryptocurrencies. Moreover, as the cryptocurrency market develops and matures, the interplay between supply and demand may undergo substantial changes. With the expansion of its user base and ecosystem, as well as the continued acceptance and usefulness of Shiba Inu, its market capitalization may experience significant growth in the future. Although such substantial growth may appear improbable in the present, it is possible that it could materialize in the very distant future. They hold this belief in a scenario where conventional financial systems are confronted with substantial obstacles and cryptocurrency adoption exceeds all previous levels. However, what are your thoughts on that? Leave a comment below. I would greatly appreciate your perspective.